Right. Okay, we will proceed with some part of the syllabus. Right. For the first week, I have prepared some videos for you to understand what is system development and how it relates to system analysis and design. Okay. So during the system analysis and design is somehow a part of the system development process. Okay, right. So as I mentioned in one of the video, we start with the planning. Okay, planning involves identification of problem and definition of problem. Problems are not easily identified, or we cannot easily pinpoint to the root of the problem. So normally what appears, or what we can see, or what we can sense are the symptoms. Okay, right. For example, some of the symptoms are we could see in business. We're talking about business. In business, if we can see sales are high, but when we check our cash available, it is not daily. Okay, lower cash, we have lower cash, but we have high in terms of sales. It could be because we are selling using more credit. Okay, it means that the credit management is somehow very loose. Okay, another symptom is when we purchase. Okay, we order many items. We order in large quantity. Okay, reason for us to order a large quantity is to get more discount. Okay, but the thing is, if you buy or you purchase a large item, okay, you purchase a very huge quantity, you have to think about where to keep your product, your inventory. You need a place to keep it. You need a proper system to record and to control the in and outs of your inventory, right? Sometimes we order wrong items. We order items that are not moving. Okay, it will create problem because we are a good business person. They will purchase only things that can be sold easily, and things that are people required. So we don't want to keep high inventory. We don't want to keep items that are not moving. So there is one prospect of system that you can create, right? Another one is the cash management. Cash management is also very important. Without cash, I'm not sure. Normally business cannot sustain. Business cannot survive without cash. If you have cash, it has to be controlled. Controls in terms of expenses. You only pay for expenses that incurred. Okay, incurred by the business. It's not incurred by the owner. Okay. Sometimes the owner withdraw some money from the business, so it has to be recorded. Okay. Expenditure has been, you have to separate between personal use and also business. We don't want it to be mixed up. Okay, in many instances, many businesses going to bankrupt because of this cash management, right? Revenue. Okay, when you sell your products, the best way is to obtain cash immediately. Okay. Okay, we can sell using credits, but you have to manage your customer. Sell to customer who have credit worth, okay, who are able to pay when you ask them to pay. You don't want to sell to somebody who take your goods and leave. Okay, right. What else? Cash management, inventory. We have done with inventory. We have done with the customer. Customer also important. You want to have good relation with your customer. You want to know your customer. You want to know what your customer needs. Okay, you don't want to create business out of nowhere. You don't want to have business where nobody comes and buy anything from you. Okay, so before someone conduct a business, he or she has to do something. Investigate, ask around, look around. If someone open a business near a residential area, most probably it has to be a shop, okay, shop that sells sundries, okay, for the residential people, okay. Maybe a Dobby, maybe restaurant, okay. Maybe if you have so many people there, and most of people have vehicle, maybe you can open a service center to service cars, motorcycle, okay, for the nearby residential area. Okay, so those are the things. In simple, problems are not easily identified, but we can sense, we can easily identify the symptoms. From the symptoms, we can work out to identify the problems, right? I'll continue with the next video.